Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your snipping tool with shortcut doesn't work in Windows 10 or 11. So just go to the search and type snipping tool, click on the snipping tool, and here you'll be able to use snipping tool. Clicking on new, you'll see your screen go white and you'll be able to snip something. Click right here on the black pen or whatever, annotate, and click on file and click save as. So that's the alternative, and now I'm going to show you how you can try fixing it. Here, go ahead to the search and type photos, and right here right click it on the photos, click on app settings, and as you can see, as it loads up, you can repair this app or reset it. So click one of those. First of all, repair, try repairing it, and after that, if that doesn't work, you can try resetting it, because if this app isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. So make sure that your data will be deleted. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.